I'm Amy. Today I'm making baked gooey ham and cheese sliders. These addictive sliders are covered in a rich and decadent sauce made of butter, mustard, sugar, and spices. So let's get started. In a saucepan, add a half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now bring this to a boil over medium heat, stirring frequently. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then set it aside. Now take 12 small Hawaiian rolls and cut them in half. Place the bottoms into a 7 by 11 baking dish. Now add a layer of sliced cooked deli ham. Then add a layer of sliced Swiss cheese. Next, add another layer of ham. Now place the tops of the Hawaiian rolls back on. Now pour your sauce over the sliders and spread it out to make sure they are evenly coated. Cover this with aluminum foil and place it into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Then preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now bake these covered in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 minutes uncovered. Then remove from oven and place them onto a wire rack to cool. Then slice them into individual sliders to serve. And here they are, baked gooey ham and cheese sliders. These are great for parties or get-togethers. And you can change up this recipe by using different meat or cheese. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at Amy Lynn's Kitchen. Hi everyone, I'm Amy. And spread it out so that the sliders are evenly covered, and evenly spread it out to... Now bake these covered in the microwave. Baked goody.